As a promotional products decorator, you understand the importance of extending your client's brand visibility. But with all those promotional product options out there, what is the best fit to build that awareness? The answer is custom branded apparel. Apparel gets more visibility, and you can easily turn any apparel item into the perfect promotional product simply with heat printing. I'm going to show you how, so let's dive in. For this, we're going to be using a shacket from Russell Outdoors. This is a very high quality product, so I want to make sure that we are pairing the perfect branding with it. So for this, we are going to be using the 360 IQ to apply a print stitch patch. This patch is great for those logos that have a lot of color, but you still want to be able to offer a premium stitched look with it. All right, so we're going to place that with our thermo tape so it stays in place for us, and cover with our foam pad. We can lock that press down in place, and the press is going to do the rest of the work for us. So we'll have our time, temperature, and pressure already cued into the machine, and it's an auto open feature, so as soon as it's done, it's going to pop open and our application will be complete. All right, so we're just going to find the edge of our thermo tape. We're going to remove that nice and slow just to make sure we're not pulling up any of the fibers of the fabric here too much. And our patches do have a cool time, so keep that in mind. Even though we can peel that tape right away, we still want to let that cool so the adhesive is cured to the garment. I've already went ahead and staged my garment using thermo tape, and we are actually going to be branding this with a woven patch. All right, so to apply this, we're actually going to be using the 360 IQ hat press. All right, so I'm just unzipping my vest and making sure I'm just putting that single layer on there so that the zipper is falling off of the back and out of the way of my print area. All right, now I'm going to take that foam pad and place that over the patch, and we're going to apply for its recommended time, temperature, and pressure. We're using the 360 IQ for this application because of the dual heat. If we were just using top heat only, we would risk damaging the synthetic fabric of this vest. All right, and once our upper heating element pops open, we can go ahead and remove that thermo tape. And our application is complete. So you can see here that there is no damage done to the puffiness of the vest and no damage done to the outer shell of the vest either. All right, so we're able to easily brand this with any style of patch or any heat transfer, as long as we are using that dual heat feature. There are a variety of patch options for elevating your promo products. To see how some other decorators are using them for their offering, check out the Heat Press for Profit Facebook group.